Ayo, we back. Alright. Basically, got a Fusion Z300 here. Oh, and alright, well, I guess we've got my cat coming to help me. Alright, let's get to it. Finally got this dang thing open. And now we're gonna take it out. Alright, there's the bars. Pretty sick. And then, whoa. Alright, we've got the whole bottom half here. Looks pretty sick, not even gonna lie. It's my first time seeing this in person. So, yeah, let's put it together. Alright, that took long enough, but I've got my scooter ready. Here it is, it's pretty sick. This thing's actually like pretty light. Now I'm gonna go over here and show you guys how dialed it is. So as you could tell in that last clip, it was pretty dialed, and now I'm gonna go get my scooter and then put the deck and wheels on to my scooter. So yeah, I'll cut to a time lapse of that. Here it is. I think I'm gonna take the grips from that and put it on my scooter because it'll probably just match a lot better. But other than that, it looks really good. That's now gonna be my second scooter, so yeah. I'm gonna do another time lapse of me putting on those grips. So yeah, let me do that. Alright, basically, I'm finished putting everything on this, and as you can tell, it looks amazing. And there's my second one looking amazing as well.